Acquiesce means to comply or agree to something without protest, often reluctantly or passively. It can also mean to accept or submit passively to something unpleasant or undesirable. For example, she acquiesced to her husband's demands, even though she didn't agree with them. When it comes to spelling, acquiesce can be a tricky word because of the unusual combination of letters. It's important to remember that the word contains two C letters and two S letters. Keep in mind that the C in acquiesce is pronounced like an S. The word is pronounced acquiesce. One way to practice the correct spelling of acquiesce is to break the word down into smaller parts and focus on each part separately. For example, you can practice spelling acqui and s separately before putting them together. You can also create flashcards or use quizzes to help you reinforce the correct spelling. Another effective strategy is to use the word in context. Try writing a sentence or a paragraph that uses the word acquiesce correctly. This will help you remember the spelling and understand how to use the word in context. Finally, it is important to practice spelling words on a regular basis. Reading books and articles, playing word games, and participating in spelling bees can all help improve your spelling skills and make it easier to remember difficult words like acquiesce. Good luck!